Imagine for a moment that you are chairing a meeting, a crisis situation has arrived, a threat situation has arrived, and you were feeling immense pressure even before you were about to start your presentation, and you felt like you were crumbling, your legs were shivering because you heard something which was extremely discomforting. And before you even started your presentation, you felt as if you are not going to speak. You were unable to speak. Ladies and gentlemen, the number one quality which differentiates a great leader from a normal leader is executive presence. It really doesn't matter how much the fire is, but the great leader is able to maintain the grace under fire because they have that executive presence. Now, before we move on and go ahead and discuss about the type of executive presence and what forms an executive presence, I'm going to talk about what executive presence is. So, ladies and gentlemen, executive presence is not a measurement of your performance. Executive presence is a measure of your image. How you appear, how you communicate, how you behave forms your executive presence. So let's now quickly discuss what are those three main elements of forming an executive presence. Ladies and gentlemen, the number one component is gravitas. How you behave. If I simplify this, how are you able to maintain calm and composure under fire? If you are the one who is able to maintain grace under fire, you have that gravitas. So gravitas is nothing but you have the heft and depth and the courage to withstand any storm. You're able to maintain calm and composure like a situation, even if there is a fiery situation, even if there is a crisis or a threat. I have read an example in Executive Presence book by Dr. Sylvania Ann, and she mentioned that she quoted an example of a CEO who recently assumed a responsibility of that company whose stock were tumbling, and the entire organization was the profit margins were negative and staffs were unhappy, and it was an extremely painful situation. But as soon as that leader took over the reins, he transformed the entire situation by taking some difficult decisions. And that was only possible because he had that gravitas. So gravitas is how you behave in a crisis situation, how you respond in a crisis situation. The author says that I was never able to judge or understand any person until I saw them under fire. So the first thing to form and maintain the executive presence is gravitas. Moving on to the second factor, an element of forming executive presence is how you appear. According to a research of Massachusetts University, it was found that people form a perception about you in just 250 milliseconds, which is quarter of a second. So the way you appear talks about a lot. The clothes that you wear, the way you walk, the kind of people you surround yourself with is actually tells a lot about your personality. So the way you appear is an indicator that you have that executive presence in you. And the last thing which forms an executive presence, which is our most important element of forming an executive presence within a leader, is the way you communicate. Communications. Communication is not about what you say. Communication is about what you say is understandable by people. It is what people understand, not what you say. Because when you speak for people, you don't speak for you. You convey a message. If that message does not land well with the audience, then that message is nothing but you are talking to yourself. So the ability to convey your message which lands well with the audience, and it leads to greater impact and influence in people's minds, and that lead to action, is basically ability of a great communicator. So the communication is the third element of executive presence. So we discussed about three main elements which forms executive presence, which actually forms a great leader in the society. So the number one element was gravitas, the way you behave under fire. The second element was the way you appear, your appearance, and the last element was the way you communicate, communication. So I hope you loved this video. I hope you would be able to adopt and learn the executive presence and differentiate yourself from mediocre crowd. In case if you have any feedback or any question, I would love if you drop in the comment section. I would love to answer. This is your friend Tawseef Hasan signing off until we meet again.